Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the ChatGPT not working step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If your connection is slow or unstable, the app or website may not work properly. So, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, refresh the page by swiping up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the ChatGPT. Swipe it away, closing it completely. Wait for a while and reopen it. Temporary glitches can stop ChatGPT from working correctly. Next, you should also restart your device. This helps clear temporary system issues that may be affecting the app or your browser. If you're using a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings, find privacy or history, and clear browsing data. Then try opening ChatGPT again. Also, check if ChatGPT servers are down. Sometimes the issue is not on your side, so waiting a few minutes and trying again can fix it. That's how you fix the ChatGPT not working. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.